Welcome again. We will solve another type of example on integration. That's not very simple, but it's easy. When we have this type of differentiation, ax plus b all power n, its derivative will be like n and ax plus b all power n minus 1 multiplied by derivative of the inside function. It will be a composite function f of n derivative n f of x power n minus 1 times derivative of the inside function, composite function. Now in the integration we will do the inverse because integration is antiderivative. Ax plus b all power n. First of all, like we say, we write the same bracket as it, ax plus b all power, add to the power 1 n plus 1, divide to the new power n plus 1, and here we multiply by the derivative of the function inside the bracket. Here we divide the function derivative of the function. Another case, if we have a function of x and its derivative multiplied by it, so the solution will be the function raised to the power plus 1 over the new power, of course plus constant here and plus constant here. The difference between those functions, the first function is from the first degree, and this function is general, first or second or any function. If we find the function and its derivative, we will put the function raised to the power plus 1 over the new power. Example, 2x plus 5 all power 5. That's function from the first degree, so we will put it like 2x plus 5 all power 5 plus 1 6, divide the new power and divide or multiply 1 over the derivative of the inside function 2 plus constant. By simplifying, it will be 12 and 2x plus 5 all power 6. Another example, first of all we can write it as 8 multiply 3 minus 2x power 5 negative 5 dx. The result will be 8 like itself. That is a function from the first degree. We can write the bracket as it and add to the power 1 and divide to the new power negative 5 plus 1 and multiply by 1 over the derivative of the inside function negative 2. By simplifying, the result will be 8 multiply 3 minus 2x all power negative 4 over negative 2 multiply negative 4 negative 8 plus constant. The result will be negative 3 minus 2x all power negative 4 plus constant. Here, that's a function from the second degree, so we will look out the bracket. We will find 2x. 2x is the derivative of x squared, so the result will be x squared, the function x squared plus 5 all power 7 plus 1 over the new power 7 plus 1. That second degree we can't divide 2 by x because x can be 0. We can't divide by x. So the condition is if we can find the derivative of the inside function, so we put the function raised to the power plus 1 divide to the new power plus constant. We can write it as x squared plus 5 all power 8 divide 8 plus constant. Here x cube we can write it as x squared plus 1 multiply x cubed plus 3x to the power negative 6. As we talk, sorry about the video, about the incorrect image, x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus 3x equal, we can write as at x squared plus 1 x cubed plus 3x all power negative 1 dx. Now we can we can find that the derivative of this function is 3x squared plus 3, but here we have x cubed x squared plus 1. If we multiply the function by 3, it will be 3x squared plus 3, but now we change the function, so we can multiply by 3 and third by the same time. So third integration 3x squared plus 3 x cubed plus 3x all power negative 6. Now this function have its derivative outside, so the result will be third as this third, and x cubed plus 3x all power negative 6 plus 1 over negative 6 plus 1 plus constant. So it will be third multiply negative 6 plus 1, it will be negative 5 x cubed plus 3x power negative 5 plus constant. Another type of integration, another simple, we will show it in the simplest form. The integration of trig function. When we want to find the derivative of sine x, its derivative will be cosine x. The derivative of cosine x, it will be negative sine x. Derivative of tan x, it will be 6 square x. Now if we want to find integration of sine x, it will be which function get sine x? Cosine, but we have negative, so its integration will be negative cosine x plus constant. Integration of cosine, which function derivative of it? Cosine, sine, so the result will be sine x plus constant. 6 square, which function get 6 square? Tan, so the result will be tan x plus constant. If we have a function like this, sine and a function ax plus b dx from the first degree, so the result will be sine, integration of sine, negative cosine, and the function as it ax plus b plus constant. But before we do this, we divide the derivative of the inside function, that will be a plus constant. Now integration of this function, cosine 5x plus 6 dx. Cosine, its derivative will be sine, and 5x plus 6 as it over the derivative of the inside function 5 plus constant. Here it's a function consists of polynomial and trig function. So the polynomial 3 will be 3x and negative x square over 2 plus 6 square, its integration will be 10x, but here we don't have x, it's quarter x. So we divide to the derivative of the inside function, it will be quarter plus constant. We can simplify it as 3x minus half x square plus 4 10 quarter x plus constant. If you want to check it, we just find its derivative. It will be 3, it will be negative half times 2x negative x, negative 4 10, 6 square quarter multiply 4, it will be 1, so it will be positive 6 square, positive 6 square plus 10. And thank you.